Social Science, Grade 5, Block 3, A Home for Everyone, Block 3, Losing Our Homes, LP4, Homeless People by teacher Shikha. In this video, children will learn to describe how a natural disaster impacts our life. How can natural disaster makes us homeless? Infer natural disaster from visual. Children, natural disasters are events caused by nature that leads to huge damage. There are many types of natural disasters: earthquakes, flood, tsunami, such. If you read the newspaper, you will come to know about several regions' news which are affected by natural disaster. One example is earthquake shakes Nepal 26 April 2015. A massive earthquake shook Nepal around 11:56 am Nepal Standard Time. People were doing their regular jobs when they suddenly felt the tremors. Nearly 9,000 people were killed and three times that number were reported to be injured. Nearly 3.5 million people lost their homes and belongings. Many villages were destroyed. The earthquake also destroyed old historic buildings. Now I am reading another news. Heavy rains and flood in Uttarakhand 20th June 2013. Continuous rains in Uttarakhand led to heavy floods in the region. The rivers overflowed and water entered the towns and villages. As a result, many towns and more than 3,000 villages were washed away. Thousands of homes were destroyed. Animals and crops were also washed away. People tried escaping, leaving behind their belongings and valuables. Most of the people who lost their homes were already very poor. Everything they had was now gone. Children, please think, how did the earthquake and flood affect the people and their homes? The earthquake destroys homes and historical buildings, killed and injured many people. The flood swept away people's houses and belongings and destroyed home and property. Children, just think, how can natural disasters make us homeless? So children, natural disasters destroy properties, homes, buildings, often leaving people homeless. It can be very difficult for people to rebuild their houses after a natural disaster. Children, I want you to focus on critical thinking right now. How can we help people who lost their home due to natural disaster? Point 1. We can help people who lose their home by sending them food, clothes, and medicines. Point 2. We can help them rebuild their homes by donating money to help them. Children, now I want you to find your answers. I am giving you one situational question, that is, how would a fire cause someone to become homeless? You can think, visualize the situation and suggest the ways to help such people. Suggest ways to homeless people. Please read your content book for further information. What problems do homeless people face? Think about the situation. Visualize about the situation during the case studies. So the general explanation goes, homeless people will not be protected by rain, heat and cold. They cannot enjoy the safety and the comforts of living in a house with their loved ones. They may be chased away by the police from the pavement or parks where they have taken shelter. They would not have a proper place to bath or cook their food. They may be run over by cars at night. So, children, how can the government and the people, common people, help the homeless? The government could build shelters for homeless people. It could also work to help jobless people find jobs so that they can afford a place to stay in. We can donate blankets, pillows, utensils, and food items to the homeless people. Children, imagine if you have to make a poster on homeless people, what points you will light, how you can help them, what all important points you will write in that poster. Which of their problems would you like to draw attention to? I hope this lesson is clear to you, and please read the content book to understand more about it. Have a great day ahead. Take care of your near and dear ones. Thank you.